welcome to We Tarry Until He Comes Homestead. Sister Marcel here, giving you guys an update on the rice. I just finished watering it because it takes lots and lots of water. But as you can see, it's just 4 weeks in, and this is the growth that we've got. Look how tall it has gotten. Beautiful day here in Northern California, you guys. Y'all see my hummingbirds? If y'all didn't know, I love hummingbirds. So just letting y'all know I love hummingbirds, okay? And they love me because I keep them fed, okay? But anyway, there is still more sprouts coming in. I see very small, still coming in. That's pretty cool. And what I forgot to tell you is this: each little stalk here is 1 grain, and each little stalk can produce up to 25 grains of rice per stalk. I forgot to tell you guys that. You get multiple grains of rice in just 1 stalk. So, and this is just 1 grain of rice that has sprouted. And remember, we put a lot in here, and that's why I put a lot in here, because I wasn't quite sure what would germinate and what wouldn't. So I just loaded it up. And as you can see, they're so compact. But this is 1 grain of rice. We got some that are close together, like these 2. That's 2 grains of rice. And each stalk is going to produce up to 25 or more grains. So you're going to be getting I should get quite a bit of grains of rice if this proceeds on to the point of me harvesting. So I'm actually going to keep track of how long it takes till harvest time. So yeah, I keep it in the sun and I water it quite a bit. So you can do it, you guys. Remember, soak the 24 to 48 hours in water, rinse it off really well, and then put it on top of your soil, cover the soil up, and watch it flourish. And it's so cool to see that it is still, some are just germinating really late. But yeah, it's shooting up there. It is shooting up there, if you guys can see. It is shooting up there. But yeah, I'm excited, y'all, because this is way more than I harvested last time. So, all right, grow you some rice. It's easy. Remember, pray in your garden, because we plant, we also water. But you know what? God always gives the increase. Until next time, Lord bless.